I stopped buying bread after I found this recipe. Start by adding 2 ripe bananas in a medium bowl, then add a whole egg, and using a fork, mash the bananas well and mix them with the egg. Then add half of a 240 milliliters cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix until incorporated. Now, add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and mix again. Once the mixture reaches this consistency, transfer to a large bowl, and in a sieve, add 1 cup of wheat flour, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pass everything through the sieve before adding it to the bowl, and mix until incorporated. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Finally, add half a cup of milk and mix once again until combined. This is the right blend. You may stop mixing. Once you have done that, grease a 22 by 7 centimeter cake pan with vegetable oil. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. Then put baking paper at the bottom of the pan and grease it again. Now, pour in all the batter we prepared earlier. Add chocolate chips to taste. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it bake for 35 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right baking point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now I'll head to the comments section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.